Awaketh, Angustus. Time to play. Aha! Well spotted, Angustus. The castle of Evernight.
Whoa! The castle is so impressive.
Yes, it is. Onward.
Yes!
Hello? Is there anyone in there?
Who goes there?
Nanny?
That's Sir Nani, sworn protector of the King of Evernight.
Of course. We are two brave knights, Kiva and Saul, and this is our faithful hound, Angustus.
And we'd like to talk to the king, please.
Knights, you say? Then you must have completed the quests of Evernight.
Oh, quests?
Oh, yes. In order to call yourselves true knights and gain an audience with His Majesty, you must be deemed worthy by completing 3 quests.
3 quests?
1. You must retrieve the stubborn sword from the stone. 2. You must solve the riddle of the scroll. And finally, 3. You must make it past the fearsome Chomperwalkie.
That sounds like fun.
Except for that Chomperwalkie.
Don't worry, Saul. There's 3 of us. If we work together, we'll have the quests done in no time.
You're right, Kiva. Onwards!
What is it, Angustus? Ah,
Ooh,
it's the stubborn sword. Well found, Angustus.
great. Now all we've got to do is pull it out. That'll be easy.
Ah! It's really stuck.
I can't believe we're going to fail at our very first quest.
Well, the sword got into that stone somehow, so there must be a way of getting it out.
But Kiva, we've all tried pulling it, and it won't budge.
Well then, maybe we should try pushing it instead. Ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Woohoo! We did it!
Quest 1 done.
Uh-oh, we're stuck.
So many trees.
If we can't get through, how are we going to solve the riddle of the... the scroll! Yes! Found it! To part these trees and continue your quest, the answer to this riddle must first be guessed. What eats more nights than a dragon?
Shush, Angus. I'm trying to think. This isn't a joke.
A joke, like the one Nanny told us.
Oh, you're right, and I remember it. What eats more nights than a dragon? 2 dragons.
It worked! The trees parted! Come on, Saul.
Woohoo! Only 1 quest left.
Our final quest is to get past the fearsome Chomperwalkie.
What's a Chomperwalkie?
That's a Chomperwalkie.
It's Chomper huge!
But maybe if we're quick, we can slip past it.
I hope so. Aww. We're never going to get past it.
We are knights. We can't give up.
Hey, if we can't get around the Chomperwalkie, then maybe we can get over it.
Huh?
I've an idea. Ta-da!
A medieval catapult. Great mod, Saul.
Time to fly.